Hi, my name is Marc Bowen. I'm the Quality and Operations Manager here at ZipClip. I've been with the business for about 4 years. ZipClip helps reduce waste by providing predetermined lengths of wire drops. So if you're installing, you can have the correct length you need so you have minimal waste. If you are using the Rize system, then you've got a spool of 100 meters, you can cut the exact quantity you need. The reduction in waste is fundamentally different to other options in the market. Because we sell predetermined length drops and also the Rize system, if there is any waste, it is very, very little. You haven't got to worry about any hot works permits when you're cutting stuff. You've just got a couple of little pieces of wire to be able to pick up from the floor. ZipClip massively reduces the transport impact. If you take the R100S, for example, compared that to threaded rod, that is 33 lengths of 3 meters that you need to transport onto site. I don't know about you, I prefer to move around a 2 kilogram box compared to all that steel. It's an absolute game changer. We can get a lot more in containers as well to help reduce on environmental impact. The amount of steel cable we can get into a container is vastly more than what you can get on threaded rod. The pallets we send out, they're all standard pallets. There's no oversized charge on the pallets, where on a threaded rod system, you'd be on a 3 meter wide pallet, which is then increasing costs for the customer. It's just a lot simpler and easier for the customers to receive, and it saves them time.